Hey mate! Today we want to take a look on how to add files to your apps and work with files, uploaded files to in your app. We will build a little app which answers a question to a PDF. So for the first step I will add here a text field called question. I let it a single line text. You can also do different other file types, field types here. The question is, what is the text about? And we just add it here. So, and then we need a file. So to upload a file, there's also a field type called file upload. So we will upload PDFs here, PDF file, and you also can upload here a test file to see what's happening while you are creating your prompts. I just use this one and add that. So now we have a form with a question and a file. Save and upload these files and wait until all data is here. So now we have two input fields, the question we have and the PDF file. The PDF file, the files you upload are saved in a private user environment, so it's not accessible from external, but our data extenders can work with them. So to get the content of the PDF file, I now add the file reader here. It could also work with docx or other things. And as URL, you can use the URL from the input fields. When you save and test the data extender, it already gets the content of that file. It's extracted from it, so you can work in the next step with the complete content of the PDF file or other files you have here. So now I would add some section where I put the content in. And just use the content of that file. And to make it easy, I just add a short prompt, answer the following question based on the content. So, and here I just put in the question. I'll leave the system, but you can also change your AI system or the model which is used. So after you send it out, you see here the final prompt will contain the complete content and the question. And after some time also the prompt result is appearing here. So you see here is the content we have from the PDF, and here's the prompt we have put in. And this is what is sent over to ChatGPT. And that's the answer. So easy. You can work with PDF files or other files when using or when you want to access that content of it. So we have built that app, and now we just can open the app, and yeah, you can can ask every question here and upload every file here, and just run that, and yeah, the user is satisfied with the result.